ECM multi-speed blower motors are super sensitive to dirty air filters, and ignoring that can seriously mess up your HVAC system. So, if your air filter is clogged with dust and gunk, it makes the blower motor work way harder than it should. You know how when you're trying to breathe through a thick scarf? That's basically what's happening inside your system. The motor pulls more amps to push air through, which heats it up and stresses the electronics inside. To keep things chill, swap out your air filter every 1 to 3 months depending on usage and pets around. Also, make sure you pick the right filter size and rating because a filter that's too dense can cause the same problems as a dirty one. If you notice strange noises or the fan not running smoothly, don't just ignore it, check the filter first. Running a blower motor with a bad filter not only wastes energy, but can cost you big bucks in repairs later. Keeping your filter clean is the cheapest and easiest way to protect your ECM motor and keep your air flowing just right. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ECM multi-speed blower motors is ignoring dirty filters, which leads to overheating and motor failure. Easy fix, just change filters regularly. Another common issue is using a filter that's too thick or restrictive, causing the motor to draw too much power. Switching to the manufacturer recommended filter rating helps prevent this. Lastly, folks often skip checking for proper airflow and duct cleanliness, which can also strain the motor, so make sure your ducts are clean and unobstructed to keep air moving freely. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier for homeowners by connecting them with local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to guess who's legit. For contractors, it's a great way to find steady work from people looking for skilled pros in their area.